Why are companies not preferring bank loans for business expansion? Why are companies like Nika LIC so easily giving away their shareholding? Have you ever thought of it? It's because companies have found a simple and efficient way to gain funds for new projects. Do you want to know what it is? Then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from Samco Securities. An IPO is when a company offers its shares on a public stock exchange for sale. Companies use this process to raise capital and go public, while investors can buy shares at a discounted rate or gain access to special deals. The process begins with the company's understanding of how to price its shares. It is important for both buyers and sellers to understand the IPO market and how to successfully obtain the best price for their shares in an IPO. The main advantage of investing in an IPO is that there are typically good returns available because of the discounted rate offered by the company before it goes public. Investing in an initial public offering, IPO, has its advantages and disadvantages just like any type of investment does. Consumers should always research thoroughly before deciding whether or not investing in an IPO is right for them. If you found the content beneficial, let us know your feedback in the comment section and make sure to like and share this video. If you want to apply for upcoming IPO, open a free Demat account with Samco. Hit the like button and let us know your feedback in the comments.
From Samco, the new-gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.